Good day, class. For today, we are going to have an activity or activities for us to know if you've had learned something from our discussion last week. So before we go to our activities, let us first ask how you are doing. Yes, Mr. Castro, are you doing great?
Yes, ma'am, I'm doing great po.
Okay, that's good to hear. How about you, Miss Kalimlim?
I'm also good, ma'am.
Okay, so let's start. So first, we are going to have this game called Simon Says. So this game is popular for 3 or 2 persons. It is a group game wherein one will act as a Simon and 2 people or 2 persons will act or will enact what Simon will say. So first, let's have an example. For example, I will say, Simon says, put your index finger on the tip of your nose. So you're going to do it. Yes, just like that. Okay, so let's proceed. Our first, so with the rules, enact what Simon says. Make sure to do the right action that Simon has provided. So next, please. Okay, so first, Simon says, put your arms up. Okay, let me see. Okay, very good. Next, Simon says, put your arms down. Okay, I am seeing your hands down now. Next, Simon says, put your hands of the top of your head. Towards the top of your head. Okay. Okay, I'm seeing Sir Castro and Miss Kalimdim. Next, please. Simon says, put one hand over your heart. So, where's your heart? Okay. Next. Simon says, put your arms across your chest. Okay. Across your chest. Very good. Next. Simon says, put your hands below your elbow. Let me see your elbows. Okay, that's good. Next, Simon says, put your index finger below your chin. Okay. Next, Simon says, put your right hand beside your face. So, okay, is that right? Next, put your index finger between your left and right eyebrows. Okay, that's good. And lastly, put your hands over your face. Over your face. Okay, that's good. Okay. Simon says you did a good job. So as you can notice in our icebreaker activity, I've told you some instructions to follow. And with that instructions, I've used certain prepositions like over, under, below, above, on, over. And these prepositions are what we've discussed in our discussion last week. So I can see that you really understand the use of prepositions, especially prepositions of place. That's what we call by these prepositions that we've inserted in our discussion. So next, for our next activity, we are going to have the activity called Look Around. In this activity, I am going to flash a picture on the screen with corresponding sentences. So you are going to fill the blanks with appropriate prepositions that should go with the sentences. So next slide, please. So look carefully at this picture. So what can you see in the picture, Mr. Castro?
Hmm. carpet is on the floor.
Okay, very good. You can see the carpet on the floor. And this is, I guess it's a sala set or something because we can see a couch there, a wall, a lamp, and so on and so forth. So Mr. Castro said that the carpet is on the floor. Let me see if that is correct. Next slide, please. Okay, that's correct. The preposition that must be used is the preposition on. Okay, next slide, please. Okay. The flowers are blank the vase. Miss Kalimlim, what do you think is the right preposition for this?
The flowers are in the vase.
Okay, very good. So let's see if that is correct. Okay, that's correct. We use the preposition in because the flowers are inside the vase. So next, look closely. The clock is blank the wall. So where is the clock, Mr. Castro?
Um, the clock is on the wall.
Okay, let's see if that is correct. That is correct. The clock is on the wall. We use the preposition on because the clock is hanging on the wall. We can see the clock and it is on the surface of the wall. So next slide. The chair is blank the table. So you can see the chair there and the table. What can you observe, Miss Kalimlim? What do you think is a preposition?
The chair is next to the table.
Okay, very good observation. The chair is next to the table. Next slide, please. Next slide, please. Okay. Number 5. We have here the lamp is blank, the book, and the vase. So let's have Mr. Castro again. What can you observe between the lamp and the book and the vase?
Based on my observations po, the applicable uh, preposition should be between. The lamp is between the book and the vase.
Let's see if that is correct. Very good. The lamp is between the book and the vase. Next slide, please. Number 6. The ball is blank the table. So let's have Miss Kalimlim. Where is the ball?
The ball is under the table.
Okay, let's see if that is correct. Okay, that's correct. Now let's have number 7. The table is blank the chair and the sofa. Mr. Castro, where is the table?
Just like the lamp po, the table is also between the chair and the sofa.
Okay, that's good. The table is between the chair and the sofa. Next, we have the cat is blank the sofa. Let's observe where is the place of the cat to the sofa. Miss Kalimlim.
The cat is next to the sofa.
Okay, very good. As you can see, it is just like the chair and the table. They are next to each other. And number 9, we shall have the book is blank the table. Let's have Mr. Castro again.
The book is on the table.
Okay, very good. We use again the preposition on because that is where we can find the book and it is on the table. We use the preposition on when we refer to an object which we can found on a surface or on something or inside of a box or a table where it is put on. Okay, and lastly, we shall have number 10. The sofa is blank the table. So lastly, let's have Miss Kalimlim.
Oh, the sofa is near the table.
Okay, very good. In instances like this, we can also use the preposition beside. But since near is much appropriate, this is what preposition that we use. So in this activity, we learn how to use the prepositions and its positions in the sentences. And also we've observed the pictures that are the things on the picture or the scene, and we've created sentences with prepositions in it. So that's good observation, kids. So let's have the next slide. Okay, well done. So for our next activity, for our next and last activity, we shall have this activity called Where is Teddy? So in this activity, I am going to present another set of pictures again, and then we are going to, the two of you will going to generate sentences with prepositions from each pictures. So let's have the first picture there. So where is teddy bear? I will give you like 5 or 10 seconds to create or generate sentences. So we will have here Miss Jewel.
Teddy is inside the box.
Okay, the teddy is inside the box. So what preposition did you use?
Inside.
Okay, inside or in. Okay. For our next slide, we have here. Let's have Mr. Castro for this. So where is the teddy bear?
The teddy bear is behind the table.
And what preposition did you use?
I use the preposition behind po.
Okay. For our next slide, let's have this. Miss Kalimlim again. Where is the teddy bear? Or where is Teddy?
Teddy is under the table.
Okay. Okay. What is the preposition did you use?
Under.
Okay. And next, let's have Mr. Kian again. Where is the teddy bear?
Teddy bear is next to the table.
Okay, very good. As you can see and as you can observe, the teddy bear and the table are in the same line, and they are next to each other. And the preposition you use is
Next to po.
okay. For our last example here, or last picture, we shall have Miss Kalimlim. So where is the teddy bear?
The teddy bear is on the table.
And the preposition you use is
On.
okay. So that will be the end of our activities. So thank you for listening. So before ending our discussion, or our activities for today, let me sum up or wrap up what we've had for today. So we've had the Simon Says, in which you enact what Simon has said. You tried to follow the instructions, and you've created um, enactments that are appropriate in what excuse me in what Simon says. And I can see that each of you really know what are the prepositions and its uses. And in our second activity, we observed the proper places of each item, such as the sofa, the book, and the cat. You are asked to fill the blanks and use prepositions in it. And in our last activity, you've created and generate sentences with the use of prepositions and the pictures as well. So I think that's all for today. And I hope you've learned something from our previous discussions, and it is really evident for today. That would be all, class. Thank you so much for listening and cooperating.
Thank you
Thank you
po.
po.
Thank you.
Thank you.